Morning, everyone. This is Mark Leibovit from VRTrader.com, and this is a Leibovit VR tutorial here on Esignal. We are at the Traders Expo in New York at the Marriott Marquis, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So if you're in the New York area, certainly try to stop by. Real quick update because we are on the road here. Last week we looked at Wynn Resorts, which, as you know, had a big week for us. If you were following our VRTrader.com recommendations, here we're putting up MGM Resorts, which seem to follow a little bit of an inverse pattern, but more importantly, how it reacted to the Leibovit positive and negative VRs, which is really the point of this tutorial, how we use it and how you benefit from watching those signals. In just the last couple trading days, you can see we had a negative VR on Thursday. The 533 stochastic turned down, so you at least had a day or two trade here. As you know, I do have a 2-day version of the indicator where we bet that you should get a day or two follow through following a change in volume. Prior to that, we had a positive Leibovit volume reversal on the 12th, and as you can see here, had a rising 533 stochastic at that point, and you did follow through for a couple days as well. Prior to that, we had a negative VR here on the 2nd of February, downtrending 533 stochastic, and you had a multi-day decline there. As you can look at the screen, you can see there's a pretty good correlation here with the VRs. Here's an example of a signal we did not take. This is back on January 5th. You had a positive VR, but as you can see, we had a downtrending 533, so we ignore that. And the negative VR that preceded that on December 30th is really the more powerful signal, which carried all the way down until we finally saw a positive VR here that I mentioned on the 27th of January. So, and that just was a little day or two trade as well. So, putting it all together, this is just a look of how we take advantage of the VRs and try to incorporate them into our short-term trading. If you want more information, please go to esignal.com. We do have a 1-month free trial available, and if you want more information on my services and the trades that I present, please go to vrtrader.com, and we host a whole series of newsletter products, as you can see on the screen. And again, as a reminder, stop by here at the Traders Expo. I do have 2 workshops on February 23rd, and we are going to go over the volume reversal indicator. Thank you for checking in. Have a pleasant day and week.